That is officially the end of OnStage. We are so tired. I can't wait to go to bed.
Can you tell?
We really did have so much fun. We got to see so many people that we haven't met before, so many new friends, so many old friends that we haven't seen in a while, and got to see a lot of new product along the way.
Oh, absolutely. That was the best part, is seeing the product, seeing all the new friends, and just catching up with everybody. It's fabulous.
Is there an echo in here?
There is. I said it's the best part.
Well, we hope you liked the vlogs. We are going to be sharing all of the goodies that we got. So make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel so that way you don't miss on our unboxing of all the things and our pre-order that we are going to be getting. So hit that subscribe button. It's free. Hit the like button, and we will see you in one of our future videos. Bye.
Bye.